How to change background color on Instagram stories. In this short video, I'll show you how you can change your background color if you're trying to upload anything from your Instagram story. So first, for this to work, all I have to do is just to go into Reels and then just simply choose on what specific story that you would like to be uploaded or to share, and then choose on Add a Story. Now, for you to be able to change your background, you must minimize the main video or photo first. Use this option here. There's an arrow pointing down, which is going to be the drop down menu. And then as you can see below the mention feature, you should see option there that says background. And then for you to use that, to simply tap in it until you have getting your preferred color. And that's basically it. That is how you change background color on Instagram stories.